Hello everyone and welcome to Amishi's Kitchen. Today we are going to bake a chocolate cake. Chocolate cakes are loved by one and all, be it kids or grown-ups, and this is my little one's birthday week. So let's bake it together. So what we are making today is an eggless chocolate cake and we are using Milkmaid for it. So for the chocolate cake we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 cups of milk, 1 full tin of condensed milk, vanilla essence, 1 cup butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So let's prepare our cake tin. I have added a little bit of oil to it. Now I'll brush it all over, on the sides also. It's done. Now I'll add some maida or all-purpose flour to it. Just sprinkle it lightly and then we'll just tap it all over. Whatever is extra, just turn it upside down and here it is. Our cake tin is ready. So let's get started with the recipe now. We need to sieve the dry ingredients first. So we need a sieve and I'll take my 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. I'll just tell you how do we measure, because measuring is very important when you bake a cake. So though I've already measured it and kept, but just to show you, we always have to take leveled ingredients. By leveled, what we mean is, okay, so as you can see, this is heaped. Now to make it leveled, I'll just take it here, I'll run my finger around it. This is what I mean by leveled cup. Okay, so this is 1 cup. So I'm adding my all-purpose flour or maida to this. Now this is my half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and this is my 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'll show you how to level your spoon, just the way we level our cups. Similarly, see this, and I just run my finger. So this is what is called as level. So I'll add this because I've already measured it. So these are all our dry ingredients. We'll just sieve them. We'll sieve them 2 to 3 times. Sieving helps in mixing of all the ingredients together, which leads to even baking. So our dry ingredients are ready to go into our cake now. We'll just keep them aside and we'll take the wet ingredients. Now in the same bowl, I am going to take butter. This is softened butter which is at room temperature. Butter should not be chilled. Basically all your ingredients should be at room temperature. So we are going to beat in an electric beater. We are going to beat our butter nicely. I'm going to add the condensed milk to it slowly. You can see I'll keep beating it so that it mixes well. We'll start with the dry ingredients. We'll add them little by little, 3 to 4 spoons at a time, and we'll mix it. We'll also add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, if you don't have an electric beater, you can do this with a hand beater. Just mix it together. Add some more milk to it. Just keep alternating between dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Now I'm adding all my milk. And also all of the dry mixture. Just beat it for 2 to 3 minutes till the time all of it comes together, and you can see the consistency of the batter. These are my prepared cake tins. Now we are going to pour this batter into our cake tins. So now cake is ready to go into the oven. I've already preheated my oven at 160 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. So while you're preparing the batter, please put your oven on preheating. So let's put it in the oven now. So here goes my cake inside my preheated oven. And here comes the little one too. There we go. And we'll just turn it on. So this will take around 30 to 35 minutes. So here it is, our cakes are done. You just put a toothpick inside and it comes out clean. Now in this one, and it comes out clean. The cake has also left the sides, so we know that it is baked. Now we let it cool and just run the knife around. And just take the smaller wire rack like this, hold it like this, and just invert this. And here you have your cake. Now just leave it like this to cool down till the time we ice it. You can cling wrap it and keep it in the fridge, and then when you want to do the icing, we can just take it out and cut it and start with the icing. Bake a cake for your loved ones, and do like, share and subscribe to Amishi's Kitchen. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Happy cooking and happy baking!